Here's a 2012 GMC Yukon Denali. Its appeal starts with an incredible amount of cargo room and continues with impressive technologies and top-of-the-line safety. It has stability and traction control, multiple airbags, and anti-lock brakes. Stay comfortable with heated and ventilated front leather seats, heated rear seating, a heated multi-function steering wheel, and automatic temperature control. An integrated navigation system and rear-view camera also come standard.
Let your music envelop the cabin with the Bose sound system. Ward off the chills with the heated seats. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the side blind zone alert.
This Yukon Denali raises the bar and your expectations at the same time. Get behind the wheel today.
Call, click, or visit us today. We're conveniently located at 4455 South College Avenue in Fort Collins, Colorado, or online anytime at petersontoyota.com.